Everyone keeps saying AI will save healthcare. But here is the hard truth heading into 2026. If AI were the hero, healthcare would already be fixed. For years, healthcare has chased the next big solution. First, electronic health records, then digital transformation, now artificial intelligence. AI promised to reduce burnout, fix staffing shortages, restore margins, and finally free clinicians from endless clicking. But healthcare already has a hero. It is the clinicians and staff showing up every day, navigating regulation, complexity, and uncertainty to care for patients. Somewhere along the way, we started acting like AI alone could save the system. That belief is now breaking. 2026 is the year the AI hype cycle collapses. Healthcare AI is splitting into two groups. A very small number of tools truly replace tasks end to end. Most tools only work when they enhance human judgment. If AI does not fit cleanly into a clinician's workflow, it fails. Not because doctors resist change, but because operations always win. Quick pause. If this is useful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your take on AI in healthcare. It helps more than you think. We have now entered Prove It Phase 2. Phase 1 was about transparency. Phase 2 asks tougher questions. Did this tool reduce harm? Did it save even 5 minutes of a clinician's day? If the answer is no, the model metrics do not matter. The numbers are brutal. Duke University estimates implementation costs over $200,000. The MIT Nanda report found 95% of AI pilots never scale. Even strong models fail in real settings. A mortality risk score embedded in the EHR changed nothing. The Epic sepsis model looked solid overall, but missed the early moments when intervention actually matters. At Johns Hopkins, leaders evaluated a breast cancer AI tool by asking radiologists one question: do you sleep better at night? When the answer was yes, the tool moved into real clinical use. That is the shift happening now. Less hype, more reality. AI is not the center of healthcare. Humans are. The winners in 2026 will be the teams building tools that support clinicians, not replace them. If you want to understand where healthcare AI is really headed, watch the related video on your screen now. And if you are building or buying AI, here is your challenge. Stop selling promises. Start proving impact.